Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a great day. Now, last night we had our first snowfall, and of course, my battery ended up dying. So today we are going to be replacing the battery in my 98 Cherokee, also known as Beep. And at the end of this video, we're also going to be getting the snow tires put on, because I have had these for a while now. They are some Firestone Winter Force 2 UVs, and we're going to be installing those today. I already got the fronts on because I ended up getting a flat in the front, so I got the fronts put on. I didn't get the rears put on. All that is happening in today's video. It's pretty random, but that's what's going to be happening today. I'm going to be clearing off the Jeep, getting all the snow off the Jeep, and I'm waiting for my buddy to come pick me up to bring me to AutoZone. So I'll throw you guys back on in a sec. Alright, so I just got back from AutoZone. We are going to be replacing the battery. I'm pretty sure these are both 10 millimeters. I'm going to take these off, drop the new battery in, and then try and start it up. And just like that, the new battery is now in. I am eventually going to be moving the battery to the trunk, so I'm going to be rewiring the terminals and everything, because as you can see, they are all sorts of messed up. But we are going to be trying to start it now, so hopefully a little bit of a cold start. I don't think I've shown it on the channel yet. Alright, so as you can see, that did end up working. It is very cold, so I'm going to let it warm up right now, and then we're going to be heading out to get the new snow tires installed. My buddy's going to be installing them for me, so I get some footage of it in the shop, and then we'll be ending off the video. Alright guys, so it is actually 2 days later, I think. I ended up being busy and I couldn't go and get the tires done the day that I filmed putting the new battery in. But the battery is working very well. It is a little bit low, but I think that's just because I have a really crappy alternator. XJs are known for having very crappy alternators, and we're heading over there to get the tires put on right now. And yeah, I will throw you guys back on when we get there. Alright, so we got both the tires installed real good. I had about 5 miles left on the other tire, so got here just in time. And right now we have another XJ over here. He's trying to find a wire that's burnt out because he keeps getting a code. But we're chilling. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. We got the Jeep pretty much all situated with the tires for this winter. Up next is probably going to be brakes, but I don't know when that video will be coming out because I'm doing a full WJ knuckle swap with bigger performance brakes from Power Stop, and then I'm also going to be doing the Liberty rear diff conversion. So I don't know when we're doing brakes, but we do definitely need to do brakes. But that is going to be it for today's video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.